Alright guys, today we're gonna make 3 different types of buffalo wings. Barbecue wings, buffalo wings, and lemon pepper wings. And we're gonna start by adding half a gallon of vegetable oil in a wok. And we're gonna add the wings once the oil reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit. What we need to do first is pre-cook them for like 10 minutes. And then once those 10 minutes are over, we're gonna remove them from the heat. Once we get them out, we're gonna let the oil to reach the desired temperature again at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're gonna add the wings back again into the oil. Remember, this process is gonna take another 10 minutes. Once the wings catch a crispy look, then they're ready to be removed. So we're gonna scoop them out because they're completely ready. And then we are gonna show you the process on how to marinate it with the specific sauce that we have. So here we have some buffalo style sauce, we have some lemon pepper sauce, and then we have some barbecue sauce. As you can see, we have 3 different containers. One with original buffalo wing sauce, one with lemon pepper sauce, and to make the lemon pepper sauce is nothing but butter and some lemon pepper spice. And then add some barbecue sauce for the barbecue wings. Then we're gonna close the lid and we're gonna mix them well. And here's the final result, guys. We did the same process to every single different type of wings that we have. Barbecue, buffalo style, and the lemon pepper wing. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.